In today's video, I'll show you how to make audio sound professional in Descript. Descript is an incredible tool that lets you edit audio just like a text document, and it can instantly enhance your voice recordings. To get started from the main dashboard, I'm going to navigate over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Recents tab to pull up our file. Here, you will see a list of your recently accessed projects. I'll click on the top project called Top 3 like GPT to open it. Now let's dive into the audio enhancement. Over on the right side of the screen, I'm going to click on the All Tools icon, which opens up a menu packed with AI features. Under the Sound Good section, I'll click on Studio Sound. Descript immediately starts processing your audio in the background. You'll see a loading indicator as it applies a professional studio polish, removing background noise automatically. I'm highlighting a section of text here to review it. If the effect sounds slightly too processed, you have full control over the strength. On the right sidebar under Studio Sound, I'll click the intensity slider and drag it down from 100% to 80% to bring back some natural room tone. Next, let's clean things up further. I'll click the All Tools icon again and select the Remove Filler Words option. This tool scans your project for stumbling words. A pop-up appears letting us know that 0 filler words were detected, which is perfect. I'll just click the X to close this window. Finally, it's good practice to monitor your AI usage. I'll bring my mouse up to the top right and click on the 60 icon. This opens the settings menu straight to the Usage tab, where we can see we've used 5 of our 60 monthly media minutes. You can review the details below to manage your credits. And that's it. That's how you make audio sound professional in Descript.